How's it going, guys? I want to say welcome back to another video. I'm actually filming this from my new S9. Quality is crazy. But anyways, guys, I want to bring you another CTFO video. I've showed you, testimonies. I showed you CTFO proof. I've showed you my team, my progress. And now I'm pretty much just going to introduce to you another product that I just recently got, and tried it out actually. Obviously, you already know about the CBD oil. I love this as an everyday use. I always call it like an everyday use, like a multivitamin, but it has a lot of medicinal benefits, to help you have overall good health. I can't make any claims and say it heals or it will kill or do anything, but just know, guys, it has some great benefits. My link will be below. You'll actually be able to look into more things, but just know it has some great benefits. But the new product, the new CTF product I want to introduce to you guys is the Ultimate Deep Healing. I personally, I work out a lot, and I don't really like taking, I barely, ever take proteins, but I don't like taking, I don't really like using any recovery shakes or powders or whatever you call it. I kind of let my muscles heal on their own, but sometimes it's rough. Sometimes you have those days where you're very sore, and that's why I got this, guys. I used it. It's only been, I just got it, and I put it on, and I can't make this up. I personally felt relief, on my muscles quickly. A lot of things take a lot, maybe a longer time, or sorry about the autofocus, or hours, so to say, for you to feel some. They have different other types of creams, but me personally, like I said, I wanted to take some natural with the hemp oil in it because it has a lot of medicinal helps, a lot of recovery benefits. So I personally felt a lot. I personally felt relief within the first 30 minutes that I put it on my body. I don't have any crazy strains, any broken or anything that's crazy, any arthritis or anything, but I felt relief. So I can only imagine, what this could do for someone that might have more serious, aches and pains. And it has a lot, like I said, it has the hemp oil in it, so it has a lot of benefits that your typical cream or whatever it is you use might not have. And that's pretty much what I wanted to do with this video. I just want to introduce, a new product I've been taking. I'm gonna document my experience with it over time. But when I put it on a few spots. I didn't put it all over. You apply it, no more than 4 times a day. I felt, like I said, relief, and I felt it fast. And I want to pass it on to any of my fans out here watching, guys. Like I said, all my information is going to be below. I'm not really going to talk about any money or any compensation plans or anything like that. I just wanted to bring this new product that I start trying recently and let you know, to me, I feel it's legit. I'm going to experiment with it. Well, not experiment. I'm going to use it more and see, what goes on and bring it to you. But I just want to make a video. I know it's been a minute since I made a CTFO video. You might find this, on the first page somewhere. I'm good with video marketing. Show my team. I'm telling you, videos are great. So, like, for example, when I was on, vacation for a week, that's why you don't see any recent videos. I barely promoted, but I actually signed up a person from London, through YouTube, and that's the power, because you don't know where people, what country, what city, what state people are looking at your opportunity. And I usually go to YouTube for most of my stuff versus Google. I usually go to YouTube when it comes to products, reviews, unboxings, anything like that, guys. But I'm gonna end this video right there. I know it's getting a little long. Make sure you check out the link below. Fill out your email. Don't worry, you're gonna fill out your email so I can be aware that you were looking for more information. It's gonna take you to a presentation video. The presentation video is gonna show you, more so to say, if you want to start selling these products, changing your life, having a different income or a second or even a third income. But there's also going to be a button where you can go straight to the products if you just want to buy as a customer. You'll see the benefits, what these products do, and all our products that we have in the catalog. We even have stuff for your animals, for my dog lovers. Like I said, I'm going to end this video. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because like I said, today might not be your day, but maybe you have time down the road and want to come back. So subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, comment below with any questions. I'll leave my contact information. I'll even leave my business number for anyone, any serious, inquiries. Hope you guys have a good day.